Hey, it's Ben here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you what VidInvision is and how it can possibly help your business. Now, VidInvision, this is a brand new video software launching soon, video marketing software, only with a very special twist, and that twist is that you can get the full white label rights to it for a very low price on the front end of this launch, meaning that when you go to the sales page for this, you can get the white label rights to this entire software to sell unlimited copies of it. And rebrand it however you like, sell it to any businesses, whether they're online businesses, offline businesses, and get it for only $37 during a special early bird special. Usually, sometimes we hear about white label products, but they're on kind of the back end of launches or not given away at all, and it's awfully very expensive. But for this one, you can get a brand new video software that I'm going to demonstrate in a second here. It can do a lot of cool things to help your videos convert a lot better, and you can sell this for yourself, which is obviously the major selling point of this. So how do you sell VidInvision to other businesses? Well, there's a lot of training that goes into this, and as a special bonus, I'm going to talk about in a second that you can get from me, that it's going to be my best tactics and strategies is for profiting from white label products very quickly. And there's tons of ways that you can do it very fast. There's ways that you can make this an evergreen product that you control to make sales, and a lot more. But of course, I wanted to do an honest review of the software to see, how likely is it that you're going to be able to resell VidInvision and actually use this for yourself, like as your very own unique software that you control 100% and you can sell for any profit you like, whether it's like a monthly service or hundreds of dollars. You can keep all the profit and resell it. Now, one of the things I wanted to test out first, before we're going to actually look at these different video things that it can do, is that is it really are you able to rebrand VidInvision, and how exactly does this white label software work? So basically, what you can do here is you can go to settings. Now, this version I have, this is like a test version, but for your version, you'll be able to add different users if you choose to host it on your own domain or your own server, and then add different clients who buy it. Or of course, you can just give them the code to install, and they can install it on their servers if you like. Now, the very important part of this, and why I was very excited about VidInvision, is that unlike a lot of white label products, well, you can control the full branding to this. So we can see here under the settings, it says logo here. You can choose a file, so we can get rid of this VidInvision logo, upload something like Ben's Video CTA Pro or something like that. So it looks like I can control this product. We can change the color to however we want. We can do this all without a coder. So that's very important to make sure that you can profit from white label products, because just going out there and reselling something that's already been out there, that doesn't really work too well. And people really buy brands more than they buy products. So you need to be able to rebrand this however you like and resell that brand as your very own. Now, as far as the actual software, how it works, well, what you can do here is I'll show you quickly how it works, is you can create different videos with a lot of different types of players. Like you can put your video in an Apple White Watch, a camera here. There's another watch, the iMac I like. And you can add different CTAs, like of course you have the regular play icons. You have call to actions. So like you can have like a button pop up during the video that's like a certain time that says, click here to buy, or click here to opt in, and go to any link you want. And of course you can have it delayed so it doesn't just show up right when it begins. There's banners you can add, so you just choose a file and a banner will display over this video. And over here, what this is just a preview of how the video looks. Now to get started, all you have to do is go to campaign setup and give your campaign a name. Let's show you one that I already got started here. So in this case, I just entered this for the campaign name. Now you need to enter either YouTube video link or a Vimeo video link. So in this case, I just went to YouTube. I got a link for this video here, and then pasted the ID part of it right in here, which of course the ID part is just this thing right here in the code. A thumbnail image, You can, of course, there's a lot of different thumbnails it comes with for like a city, for example. Or you can upload a custom one, of course, that you can create. Now, here's the mock-ups that you can have. And they're going to show you what it looks like over here, what your video is going to look like finished. Of course, like I mentioned, there's like iPhone, iMac, to have that video player around. You can have the different play type icons. And of course, there's the call to action buttons, the lead generation buttons, so they can enter their name and email address whenever you want it to pop up, and a buy now button, of course. So this is like a video player where different CTAs and clickable elements pop up on the video, which of course is very helpful. And it's definitely something that businesses will buy and they'll need. This isn't like a shiny object or anything, but something that will actually help them out. Maybe not totally drastically change their business, but can certainly help improve their marketing campaign. So how does it look? Oh, first all you have to do is go to home, and either you can install a WordPress plugin, which of course you'll get the white label rights to that too, or you can go over here where it says generate HTML, and then you just copy this to the clipboard, hit close, and then go to your blog or optimized press site, or any site that you want, and paste this in. And then we're going to hit preview here. And then now we can see we have our video up here, and then we just hit play, and then of course it will start playing, and then the different CTAs and stuff will pop up wherever you want. So as far as the pros and cons of this, well, the pros are obviously this is something that businesses definitely need, whether it's online or offline. It's not like a shiny scam type object that you're trying to resell, but a pretty solid one that will definitely add value. Is it the most unique product on the market? No, it's not anything totally revolutionary, but definitely something that you can resell, whether it's adding to your funnel, adding as a front end product, maybe combining if you already do video marketing services as like an addition to raise the price up a little bit, that they'll get these special video players that they can customize for their site. You can certainly do that as well. And of course, the most important part is that it's very easy to get this set up to start reselling to people. All they have to do is log into your site. They'll show you how to set that up quickly, and of course you control all the branding to it. So it's not like you have to turn around and hire a coder, which unfortunately a lot of the white label products out there you have to do. Now the only major con that I found with it was to be able to get it to autoplay, and I think they're working on a feature for this. Whenever you want to do this for like a sales video, of course, it's very important to have it autoplay as soon as you hit the page. Now, it just with a simple setup right here, there's not an option that I found to make it autoplay quickly. But however, all you have to do is go to edit the post here, and we go to this code, and then where it says right here on our YouTube link, youtube.com/embed autoplay = 1. You just need to change that to whatever you want, either autoplay = 1 or 0. And 0 means that it's not going to autoplay. 1 means that it will automatically play, and then you just don't add one of those play buttons, and it will work fine. And if you end up getting VidInvision from my link, I'm going to give you some very important bonuses to help you have success with this product. And one of them is a special training on how to actually make money with all these white label products that people give away. So back when I started, people didn't ever give away white label bonuses or white label products for that matter. And the reason is that it is you can turn around and generate serious money with someone else's product. And the truth is that a lot of marketers have kind of gotten lazy in the past year or so. They're trying to launch a lot of products, so they turn around and give away white label products, and they just hope that people don't really know how to profit with them. Well, the truth is that it's very easy to profit with them, and you can use their laziness, so to speak, to your advantage big time. And I'm going to reveal my best strategies on how to profit from white label products, which I'm doing as well. I've actually some marketers who have given white label rights because they didn't want to create an extra training or something in their funnel. I'm actually using that to my advantage to make a lot of money. And you can do that as well. I'm going to show you in that training, and you can only get that from me though if you get VidInvision from my link. You're also going to get a lot of other important things like white label rights to these lead generation magnets that you can give away to actually get businesses to subscribe in, and then you can sell VidInvision to them. Now, I can't go in this video too in depth about how you're going to resell VidInvision, but basically you don't want to just scam emails or scam different or email different businesses and solicit them and say, hey, look at this link here. What you want to do is, of course, establish a relationship with them and show that you can provide value and that your product will provide value. And one of the best ways, of course, is just lead generation magnets that you can email them or give them away, or maybe with Facebook pay-per-click, they come to a page and they can opt in to get it. And then you, of course, can follow up and talk to them about how VidInvision is going to help them, and then sell it at whatever price point you like. Now, you're also going to get a bunch of other white label softwares, probably the most I've ever given away in a bonus, that you can use with VidInvision, meaning that you can add them as an OTO in your own funnel. You can sell them separately. You can give them away as a lead magnet too, to get them to opt into your list and sell VidInvision. So that's very important. And there's a lot more other bonuses that you can get. It's not just old junk stuff like everyone else gives away, but very important things that are going to actually help you have success with this. So if it looks like VidInvision is something that will help your business and really help you out, then make sure to get it at 11 a.m. for that really low early bird price for lifetime access to white label rights for VidInvision. Make sure to get it through my link at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.